Go ahead.
3, 2, 1, and uncut.
So what we're going to do here is we're going to talk to the ECU. This is a Holly-based system. And what we want to do is we want to check and we want to see the computers, right? Firing order. So that's this one here, which is 187.26543. Now we'll go back to our ECU. Look at the engine parameters. And it's an ignition. So 187.26543. 187.26543. All right, great. So we're all set up. We've got the right ignition type. The engine parameters are set properly. Now we may have to go back into these once we hit the button on this and see if we run into any issues. So we can make sure that we have all the right sensors and everything. The map sensor, CTS, mat sensor, oil pressure, and then finally the fuel pressure sensor. So everything looks good, so we're going to sync these two. And we can link them. Make sure that everything's reading, like our throttle position sensor, map sensor, all of those seem to be reading really well. And then so we will go ahead and we'll do a few things where we have to fill the radiator with some water, plug off the heater lines so that we don't spray water all over the place, and then we'll have to hook up the starter cable. So stay tuned.